In these images, the sun's energy is warming a region of land near the Delaware River. However, as you can see, the surrounding terrain is variable in ways which affect the absorption of this sun's energy. Water absorbs a great deal of energy before its temperature rises. Bare earth and bare rock will warm faster than a field, and a field will warm faster than a forest. In a mountainous area, one side of the mountain in the sun will warm faster than the opposing side, which is in the shade. As a result, this terrain is a mix of warmer and cooler regions, which then affects the temperature of the air surrounding the land structures in these areas. Warm air rises, which means that there will be an upward current of air, a thermal, originating from those land surfaces which warmed faster. The surrounding cooler air will then move into the zone around those warmer land features once this warm air rises. Thus, there will be a movement of air towards these warm regions. The warm air rises, and this rising warm air will eventually reach a region of the atmosphere where it cools once again, and the now cooler air will descend. This creates a current of air, a thermal updraft, which may move at 1 to 10 meters per second. Birds, especially birds with a large wing surface area, such as these turkey vultures, can take advantage of these thermals, the rising currents of air, and the resulting thermal uplift that they offer. Using very little exertion, raptors, and then other birds you might observe elsewhere, such as seabirds over the ocean, can ride upwards on these air currents without flapping their wings. They can then control a gradual gliding descent should they choose. During migration, a raptor such as a bald eagle could gently descend for several miles before needing to find another thermal to ascend again. Red-tailed hawks are smaller than eagles and vultures, which results in their not being able to glide quite so far, but being able to utilize weaker thermal updrafts. In other words, at a certain time of day, or on a specific day due to the temperature changes in its weather, a red-tailed hawk might be able to encounter a thermal updraft which it could utilize, which is not yet strong enough to support an eagle or a vulture, which might have to wait till later in the day or another day depending on the weather.